Today we're going to learn the remainder theorem. Suppose P is a polynomial of degree at least 1 and C is a real number. When P of x is divided by x minus c, the remainder is P of c. Here are the three examples. Find the remainder if f of x is divided by d of x. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Question number 1. F of x is equal to 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 3, and we're dividing it by x minus 1. Our divisor here is x minus 1. This means our c value is positive 1, not negative 1. So to find the remainder, we need to find the value of f of c. In this case, our c value is 1. So we will find the value of f of 1, which means we need to substitute 1 to the x in our f of x. So that becomes 4 times 1 to the third power minus 2 times 1 squared plus 1 minus 3. Simplifying this, 1 to the third power is 1 times 4 is 4. Next, we have 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. So we have minus 2 plus 1 minus 3. Simplifying this from left to right, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. So this means that if you divide f of x by d of x, there is no remainder. So x minus 1 is a factor of the f of x. Question number 2. F of x is equal to 3x to the fourth plus 7x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 4 divided by d of x equals x plus 2. What do you think is our c value here? Our c value here is the opposite of plus 2, which is negative 2. So to find the remainder, we need to evaluate f of c or f of negative 2. We now plug in negative 2 into our f of x. We have 3 times negative 2 to the fourth power plus 7 times negative 2 to the third plus 3 times negative 2 squared minus the negative 2 minus 4. Simplifying this, negative 2 to the fourth power is 16. 16 times 3 is 48. Next, negative 2 to the third is negative 8 times 7, we have minus 56. Simplifying negative 2 squared, we have 4. 4 times 3, we have 12. Minus negative 2 is plus 2, and we have minus 4. Simplifying this from left to right, 48 minus 56 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 12 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the value of f of negative 2 is 2. This means that 2 is the remainder when f of x is divided by x plus 2. Question number 3. F of x is equal to 2x cubed minus x squared minus 6x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. What do you think is our c value here? Our c value is the opposite of plus 1, so our c here is negative 1. To find the remainder, we need to evaluate f of negative 1, which means we need to substitute negative 1 into our f of x. So we have 2 times negative 1 to the third minus negative 1 squared minus 6 times negative 1 minus 1. Simplifying this, negative 1 to the third is negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Next, negative 1 squared is positive 1 times the negative, we have negative 1. Then we have negative 6 times negative 1, that's plus 6, and we have minus 1. Simplifying this from left to right, negative 2 minus negative 1 is negative 3, negative 3 plus 6 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 is the remainder in this problem. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.